Good day everyone. My name is Clanjan Olandria and this is my capstone project plan. My first mobile app called Ocean Clean App. This platform can help you find a cleanup program for cleaning ocean. Introduction. This mobile application allows user to find a cleanup in the nearest location of the user. If the person wants to clean the ocean, beach, this app will help him to find a cleanup program that will clean the ocean, and he or she can find a friend or a group that has the same objectives and mindset that will clean the ocean. I choose this app because it helps people to find a suitable cleaning program so that it's more efficient and easier. It, al- it also raises people and encourage them to help in cleaning the ocean. Mobile app wireframe, Ocean Clean App. My second application called Low Job App. This platform can help you find a job with a low qualification. Introduction. This mobile application will help find him a low qualification job that don't have a high standard. If the person will find a job, this app will really help him. It will give a job that requires hiring but a low qualification so that he or she can apply without hesitation. I choose this app because it's helped a lot of people are having a hard time finding a job due to its high qualification. I know that this app will really help him right now due to the pandemic. It's really hard to find a job, but this app really helped him. Mobile app wireframe, low job app. Background of the study. Proposal 1. Why did I choose this app? For those people who clean ocean beach or have a thought of cleaning ocean, this app will definitely help them to find a suitable cleanup program. This app has a features that has a lot of information about water pollution and educates them about the importance of cleaning the ocean and its consequences of neglecting the cleaning of our water environment. Why must you choose my app? It is to you to be aware of the importance of cleaning of the ocean. This app will not just help them to be knowledgeable about water pollution, water environment, and this app will help them find a cleanup program for the nearest area in an easy way. My target market is young people. The reason is to educate them, and I do some research, and the most of the participant of the cleanup program that I searched were young people or youth. How do I gain money for the stability of my app? By selling my app to the government, that this app will be useful especially in promoting cleanliness for our beach ocean. And based on my research, if this app will be published, this is the first app that will be focusing on the cleanup program in app and not in website. Related literature. Title of the article, ROTH Capital Partnership NGO, Sustainability with the Government of the Portugal, Kenya, and Sri Lanka hosted a virtual side event October 8, 2020. The author is Quantify Investment News. The publisher is Antenna Information Solution. The companies unite to increase the awareness and help of the upcoming UN Ocean Conference in Lisbon. UN Decade of Ocean Science of Sustainability, Development, Use of the Oceans, Sea, and Marine Resources. The customer jobs are six to create an understanding on how UN approach these three factors, create a unified global goal, Paris Climate Change Agreement, renewable energy, climate change, water management, and environment governance. The pain was the role of the ocean in the climate change in the sea level rise. Topic discussed with the role of the ocean in carbon sequestration, ocean acidification, geoengineering, marine pollution, and sea level rise, and its effect on small island developing states. The gain was ROTH Capital Partners, LLC, is a relationship-driven investment bank focusing on serving emerging growth companies and their investors while increasing contributing to the social causes. This is growing consensus that private sector engagement in indispensable tool for the most effective outcome. The solution presented in the article was the United States is dedicated to the promoting sustainability development and renewable energy. Their mission is preserve planet for future generation, empowering citizens and government to implement sustainable practice and raise awareness. IT Proposal 2, background of the study. Why did I choose this app? I chose this app because I know if my app will be published, it will really become a big help nowadays due to the pandemic. It's really hard to find a job by using my app application. Applying for a job that will be easy and efficient. I did some research and the most of applying job was on the website so that I came up with this app. In my research, there's already an app that can apply for a job but it's only focusing on BPO companies or call centers. So the edge of my app is not just focused on one job, but there's a lot of available job that you can apply in not just one. My target market was unemployed people because this app will really benefit them so that they can have a job. How do I gain money for the stability of my app? By recruiting and inviting job applicants to their company and has a commission per job applicants that hire. Based on my research, this is the first application that has a lot of job lists that you can apply unlike the other, and I see in my research that's only focusing on BPO jobs. And that is the edge of my app to the other app. Related literature. Title of the article is The Walkway School. Hyderabad proves every child deserves an education, regardless to their background. The author is Sunday Times, and the publisher is Knowledge Bylines. They give us provide early school education for the children belonging in the underprivileged communities, along with a promise to enhance their motivation, growth, and psychological to become part of it. The customer jobs were primarily focused at convincing the parents allow to their daughter especially to study. As we educate generation, create opportunities to them. The pain was there's a lot of children that didn't finish studies, can't afford tuition to their economic growth is low, and it can't go to the decent term. The gain was facilitate over 100 children in underprivileged growth children under fully funded scholarship at the various private school and 12 underprivileged studying at the public school in the current enrollment. Solution presented in the article was spread awareness, providing education and supporting education of the underprivileged aims transforming the children into people who can become active participants of growing. This is the references. Appendix C, Value Proposition 1. Appendix D, Value Proposition Canvas 2. Appendix E, Activity Diagram 1. Appendix F, Activity Diagram 2. And that's all. Thank you.